I built a Chrome extension that uses AI to summarize any web page in one click, and it took me less than an hour. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. Set up your project. Create a new folder. Inside it, you need 3 files: manifest.json, popup.html, and popup.js. That's it. 3 files and you have a Chrome extension. In your manifest.json, you're telling Chrome what your extension does. Give it a name, set the version to 1.0, and set manifest version to 3. Add a default pop-up pointing to your popup.html file. Add permissions for active tabs so your extension can read the current page. Step 2. Build the interface. In popup.html, keep it dead simple. One button that says summarize this page, and a div below it where the summary will appear. Add some basic CSS to make it look clean. Dark background, rounded corners, nice button styling. Nothing fancy, but it looks professional. Step 3. This is where the AI magic happens. In popup.js, when someone clicks that button, you grab the text content from the current tab using Chrome's scripting API. Then you send that text to an AI API. You can use OpenAI, Claude, or any AI provider you want. Create an account, grab your API key, and make a fetch request to their endpoint. In the prompt, tell the AI to summarize the page content in 3 bullet points. Keep it short and useful. When the response comes back, display it right there in your pop-up. 3 clean bullet points summarizing whatever page you're on. Step 4, install it. Go to Chrome, Extensions, turn on Developer Mode, click Load Unpacked, and select your folder. Done. Your AI extension is live. Now here's where this gets interesting for making money. You can customize this for specific niches. Make one that summarizes research papers for students. Make one that extracts key takeaways from news articles. Make one that analyzes product reviews and gives you a buy or skip recommendation. Package it up, put it on the Chrome Web Store for $5, and you have a digital product that sells while you sleep. The Chrome Web Store gets over 100 million users. Even capturing a tiny fraction of that is real revenue. The best part? You can build variations of this in a single weekend. Different niches, different AI prompts, different use cases. Each one is a new product in your portfolio. If you want more tutorials on building AI tools that actually make money, follow Build with AI right now. Drop a like on this video so I know to make more of these. I'm breaking down a new AI build every single week.